Eto na nga. Tagal naghihintay ng mga tao. 3 years talaga. A lot of people are asking for this for a very long time, and now I'm finally happy to announce that Real Estate Virtual Assistance class na ako ang nagtuturo now have internship. But bago kayo mag-enroll, I just want to give you a heads up. So, progressive lahat ng classes na tinuturo ko. Which means, depende sa inyong level of understanding, ano na ba yung na-take nyo so far, how are you performing so far, doon sa mga activities, magpo-progress yung training ninyo. Let me give you an example. So, nagkaroon tayo ng live classes and then module. And then after ng module, yung submission nyo sa module at homework, i-rate natin yon. And then, kung may feedback, bibigyan ko kagad kayo personally ng feedback, ano yung pwedeng i-improve. And if after that, goods na kayo, then you progress to ISA training. Yes, kasama po ang Inside Sales Associate Training. So, yun yung mga appointment setting, yun yung mga nagko-calls, yung pinakamadaling pasukin pagka gusto ninyo galing sa BPO, magta-transition kayo to virtual assistant, at gusto nyo i-service ang real estate, then this is the class for you. We have a class this coming weekend. We block 1 till 9 p.m. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kahaba because again, hybrid na po ang ating real estate class. So, if you want to learn how to start working from home as a real estate virtual assistant, I'd like to personally invite you to join my class this coming Sunday. That's 1 till 9 p.m. May 2 weeks po siya na internship. Progressive yung class, and I will be personally teaching you how to start working from home as a real estate virtual assistant. 999 pesos lang siya. So, if you guys want to join, tala kayo dito sa profile ko, i-click nyo tong link na to, and it will take you to the Gig Hub. Kung nasa ibang platform kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung caption, nandun na yung mismo direct link to enroll. But, from the Gig Hub, under live mentorship, hanapin nyo lang 400, hindi ko pa pala napapalitan yung price dito. 999 na siya ha, pero dito sa video ko sa likod, alam nyo na, hindi pa updated ang ina nyo. But 999 siya, tapos Real Estate Virtual Assistance with internship. Join me na this coming Sunday. I'm so excited kasi actually today, may ISA class kami tonight. So, individual siya, individual and progressive. It's gonna be perfect. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys sa classroom. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!